Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied accounts on the application of Brave. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.